Okay, hello guys. I hope everyone is fine. So today we just want to try something new using Python to draw some little bit design. I don't know how to show or how to explain or express it very for you, but it's a simple thing. We will use Python to just draw flower or something like that. So maybe if you have a feeling for someone or you are crushing on someone, you can try this as a programmer. Good. So you open your Visual Studio Code then. When you open your Visual Studio Code, start with it. So first of all, you need to save it. Give it a name, right? Good. Let's create a folder and just keep it in. Let's name it flower. Mm, text. Let's buy good one. So first of all, you need to start with important. Sorry, you need to start with you import from portal. So from import, then you import colors. After importing colors, you try to tell the speed that it should do. The speed is 0. The pen size or the pen size 2 should be 2. And the background color, it should be black. For the colors too, we have color codes. Yeah, every color have a code. That's why we have to keep it in our mind. The background color, black. Okay, so the hue is color. Hue simply means color. 0.0. So for I in range, detecting a range. Okay, the color should be equal to color system dot hsv parentheses. Okay, correct. It's part of the library. So when you just start typing it, it shows by itself. Then you get one. Okay, slash one slash one. Okay, pen color. I'm taking my time to type it in order so that we will get to understand it line by line. Okay, we call it color. Cool. Sorry. Then you get a hue plus or equal to 0.005 circle. So after the circle is 5 minus range I greater than 100. Okay, LT 80 circle parenthesis, okay, bracket, parenthesis, okay, well, you can call it like that. GNI, okay, 100, okay, RT, okay, RT into curly bracket, 100. Okay, let's try and run it and see how it will work. Very, very nice. Try it yourself. Just give a try. Give a try. Try it yourself and see how it will work. Good, 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 good. You see? So in Python, a simple code can do a lot of things. Thank you very much.